Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by anchoring your body and purpose. Breathe with a 6:4 ratio for 5 cycles to stabilize neural tone and reduce noise. This calms the limbic system so subtle signals register. Once done, posture checks matter, feet grounded, spine neutral, chest slightly open, to align the physical core to energetic flow. Make sure to state one clear intention about love and deep space, spoken or written, because intention focuses attention and primes resonance for the next active steps. You now create motion inside that prepared field. Use 3-second core contractions for 10 reps to wake the deep musculature and energize the subtle channel. This increases somatic feedback so you sense shifts. Once pulsed, visualize a bridge from heart to solar plexus, extending outward into deep space to align relational frequency with larger fields. Make sure to send brief calibrated signals, low amplitude, 7 to 10 second durations, so the system adapts without overload. Adjust intensity based on felt. You finish by locking the pattern and recording feedback. Hold a coherent breath for 20 to 30 seconds while imagining the bridge stabilizing. This anchors the interaction into your nervous system and into the deep space field. Once anchored, journal one clear observation and one practical adjustment to refine timing or intensity, because iterative calibration is how reliability grows. If things go wrong, resonance feels harsh or disconnected, reduce signal amplitude by about 25% and retune slowly, then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.